Hi guys, right now we'll show you how to remove the A-pillar in Volvo XC40. So first remove this plastic cover. And over there you'll see the bolt that needs to be removed. You need to use 8mm socket to remove the bolt. Now you need to simply pull the cover towards yourself. And then carefully take it out. This is the opening for the 8mm bolt. Here you have a couple of metallic clips, and in the end you have a couple of claws. This is the airbag. Also you can see the small speaker, which now can be accessed. To reinstall the A-pillar cover, you have to start from the bottom, align it properly, so now all clips are back in place and we can reinstall the bolt now.